Alright. You looking at me?
No, down there.
You pointed at me. See, amid the poison ivy, I'm getting a reading of about, well, it jumps from 44 to 65. So, let's spread it out.
Let me see your reading.
68 to 70. Alright. You're a little too close.
I saw 72.
Alright, so then I just I'm using a White's Bullseye TRX pinpointer, and I came out this morning and forgot my shovel, so I brought this little pocket knife with me. Look for what I'm looking for. It's good though because it makes smaller holes that only the chipmunks fall in and break their little legs. Let's see where it is. No.
You're on.
No, something. It's a belt buckle. Here, turn it on.
I got you on.
Check this out. It's a belt buckle. It feels like it's got a belt attached. Earlier today, we found some company Army lapel pin out here. An old 18-something Indian head penny and an old whatever I'm trying to say. Sorry, I can't talk and figure this out. And a doggone it.
I see it.
Pretty cool, huh? I gotta harvest this plant. This is the beautiful poison oak / poison ivy, depends on how smart you think you are. Oh, I gotta turn my little. Oh my goodness. I know this ain't the way to do this, but I forgot my shovel. And my wife had her pocket knife in her purse, so I took it out and borrowed it. It's definitely a belt. Oh, there's a root growing through it. Check that out. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
See the root?
Mm-hmm.
So,
Can you cut it with the knife?
I don't know. That guy from the 80s, Brian, he said it cuts like a knife.
But it feels so right.
What's his name?
Bryan Adams.
Bryan Adams. It's a buckle. But, who knows what it is. Okay.